Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to talk to you guys about a really cool brand and a really cool company that I recently discovered. And I think that a lot of you guys would enjoy it. And that's kind of what made me want to share this with you guys. So this brand, this company, before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to notify you of all my future videos. You guys just do it. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the like while you're down there, and let's talk about some beauty products. So this company is called MixEasy, and they are at mixeasy.com. I'll link it down below. But basically, I'm going to be reviewing 3 of their products and telling you all about them, what makes them so cool and different and unique, and telling you as much information as I possibly can from them. So MixEasy, they have 4 different products. They have shampoo, conditioner, hair or face cream, and a face cleanser. So what makes them really, really cool is that you can completely customize your products to fit you, to fit your needs, to fit your wants. So I think that's really, really awesome, and that's key because everyone doesn't have the same hair type, the same hair needs. Some people have combinations. Like I have a really, really dry scalp. Like I need that calmed. So it's flaky because it's so dry, and my hair is so dry. It's split, but I have color treated hair, and I really need like oils in my hair, and my face is normal to dry skin, but I do have pigmentation, uneven skin tone that I need kind of fixed. So I have like a multiple of things in one. And a lot of people are like that. It's not just one thing. And sometimes a lot of the products out there, they deal with one thing, or so they say. Sometimes they don't even deal with that one thing. A conditioner claims to be super hydrating, and it's really not. It just has silicone in it, and it just like makes your hair just feel built up and fake. And sometimes face creams won't, they'll either do acne, or they'll do hydration, or they'll do one or the other. You know what I mean? And so having a company that does whatever you want it to do, where you can add and customize it completely to your needs, I think is really cool and really unique. So with that said, these are a little bit more on the pricey side, but stop, just wait until you hear my full review before you decide yay or nay, okay? So these shampoo and conditioners retailed for $32 to $35, mine were, and the face cream was about $35. There's 1.69 fluid ounces in the face cream. In the shampoo and conditioner, there's 8.45 fluid ounces. So yeah, they're a little bit pricier, but I honestly really, really like them, you guys. And you guys know, like if you've been a subscriber for a while, you know that I love drugstore products. I only use drugstore shampoo and conditioners in my hair. And it's probably why I still have a flaky, tired, hurting scalp before I tried these products, because that's all I tried is drugstore shampoo and conditioners, and even like moisturizers. So these are a little bit pricier, but I definitely think it's worth it, and it's at least worth it for you to hear the rest of what I gotta say about these products. So like I said, you can completely customize them. So let's talk about how you do it and the experience. It literally takes like 2 minutes. It's fun. They have pictures. It's easy. It literally goes like there's no just random stuff in there. Like it just tells you these are the steps here. Click 1, 2, 3, 4, check out. Like that's how fast it is, and it's really, really awesome. And they're really good about the returns, and all the products you're getting are really fresh. So I'm gonna read to you what they actually say, what they say is so awesome about them, because I like to do that. I think it's really good to see what they say, and then we can talk about, is it true? So they are natural, they're organic, they're vegan friendly, they're cruelty free, they're freshly prepared, they're premium quality, easy returns, handmade, customized for you. No parabens, no sulfates, no harsh chemicals, no toxins, no dyes, no silicones, no mineral oils, and they do not test on animals. So that's really cool. If you're someone that's looking for no silicones, no parabens, no harsh chemicals, also organic, but that still do everything that you want it to do, and it's customizable to you. Like there is no end. You can make it however you want. If one week your hair's oily, you can do this, and then if the next week or the next month it's dry, you can then change your formula to get a dry product. Do you know what I mean? A product for dry hair. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm trying not to blab. Like, do you understand what I mean? Okay, so the 3 products that I got was shampoo, the conditioner, and the face cream. So how you do this It's really quick, it's really easy. So the first thing you do is you pick what product you're gonna want, whether it's a face cream, facial cleanser, shampoo, or conditioner. Then you go through and you pick your skin type or your hair type, dry, oily, combination, that kind of deal. Then you go on and you have 6 slots you can fill. So 6 ingredients that you can add. You have to at least add 2, and you can add all the way up to 6. And what's really cool about it is that they have pictures, they have the name of the product. So they have a picture, they have a name of the product, and they have really quickly and easily to understand what it basically does for you. So Rosehip oil for luminizing your skin, that kind of stuff. After you pick the product, you then go on to fragrance. They give you 4 fragrance options. Sunlight Dance, which is the ones that I did, which smells like sunshine, like flowers, like amazingness. Then there's Bamboo and Cucumber, Honey and Milk, and then there's fragrance free. So if you don't want fragrance, that's definitely an option in there. But this one, the Sunlight Dance, oh, so good. Then you go on and you can name your formula so that you can save it on your profile. So if you want to do it again, you can. It's just really cool that it just saves that formula name. So you can write on there, you know, hydrating or whatever you want. I put, like for my facial cream, I put Bondbeautyful Miracle Cream, which I really do think it's a miracle cream. I will list the ingredients as I talk about the products either right here or in the description box so you can see what I added to my products, because let me tell you, my products are legit the best formulation possible. Like they are so good. I'm just telling you, they are so good. So the 3 products I got, shampoo, conditioner, and face cream. Let's start with my favorite thing ever. This is the face cream. And so I have dry to normal skin, mostly dry. And I do have like some pigmentation, my uneven skin tone. I just want a lot of hydration, and I think I did the best formula ever. I love this face cream. So one of the biggest things that I noticed, and one of the biggest reasons I love this, is because it's buildable. So what that means is I can use a light amount, like a small amount for a really light day-to-day moisturizing, but I can also use it for a night cream if I just use more of it. It can build on itself and it can give you more hydration and more moisturization, and it softens your skin even more the more product you use. I used to use the Aveeno Moisturizer, and that one comes to mind because it's a thin formula and it's supposed to be for dry skin, and it's supposed to even your skin tone, it's supposed to do all these different things. But I noticed that no matter how many pumps I added, it didn't add anything to my skin. No matter how much more product I put on my skin, it didn't make my skin feel more hydrated or more moisturized. It didn't make it feel like more plumpy or more soft. Like, it didn't add anything. It could only give you this level of hydration to your skin. It can only do this much. Well, this one I feel like it can do up to here, so you don't have a super heavy cream for the daytime, but then at nighttime, the more you put on, the more it kind of gives you more and more and more. And I feel like with this cream, my skin really did like drank up the product. It like sunk into my skin, and it wasn't just on the top layer of my skin. It really got in there, and I felt like my skin was so soft and plumpy, and in the morning my skin was soft. So I really, really love this face cream. Like, I use it in the morning, I use it at night, and it's just amazing. It smells good, and this is just a really good face cream, and I definitely think it's worth the $35. I will be repurchasing it. I will get myself another one. So the shampoo and conditioner, there's nothing really much to say about it except these are awesome formulas formulated by me. So the shampoo, I really have like a dry scalp, so I need something to kind of calm the irritation and kind of help with that, and everything that comes with a dry scalp, like itchiness and all that kind of stuff. I even have like dry patches, especially in the back of my head. But after I've been using this a couple of times, I actually noticed that my dry patch is actually going away. Slowly but surely, it is going away. And let me tell you, the shampoo I was using before wasn't helping. And I love that this doesn't just, because of all the ingredients I put in here, it also helps to moisturize my hair, but it also helps with the scalp as well. And it's also, I picked one that is color okay. It's okay for colored hair. So I really like the formulas I did in the shampoo. I'm just glad because I really can feel like my scalp isn't itchy anymore. Like it feels just really nice and soothed. So I really love it. Good. There's something about knowing that your conditioner actually has all these hydrating agents in there, all these ingredients that are actually going to do something for your hair. It's nice to know that there's really stuff in there, because sometimes when I go to the store and I get like something that says it's going to be hydrating, or that was probably gross, huh? I just touched my eye, guys. I just touched my contact. Was that gross? Anyways, whoa, my hair's being crazy. It's because there's a hair, like I can feel like a hair stuck on my lash and it's like poking my eye, like my contact, you know? You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. There's actually good stuff in here. It doesn't just say that. So sometimes I actually love this so much and it softens my hair so much that sometimes I'll just skip my hair mask that I usually do every single time I wash my hair. I do that hair mask because my conditioner was never giving me enough. So with this, I feel like I could definitely skip out on the hair mask every other week because this one is just really, really good. And I also added in this one to help with my tangling, to help with my breakage, my split ends, to really moisturize and hydrate. So it's really, really good and I really love it. I think that the quality of the products really are premium, I think so. From using these, I do feel like they're worth the price. They're not acting like a drugstore conditioner with a $35 price tag on it. You know what I mean? Like it's actually acting the way that it should be acting for how much it costs. So I think that's basically it. That's all the information I have on MixEasy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you were looking for something like this, if this seems cool, something you'd be interested in. I'm just curious to see. Also, if you try it, let me know what formulas you put in there, like what ingredients you put in there. Let me know how it worked for you. Did you like it? Comment down below, let me know. I'll also put in the description box the link to the website, also what my personal like ingredients and formula that I created in there as well. Seriously, you guys, I give these products like a 10 out of 10. Like they really are good products and I'm really glad that I found them. But anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for all your love in my videos and your comments. I know I say that, I almost say that every single video, but I really do. I really love you guys and I'm really starting to become friends with some of you guys. And it's really, really awesome to me when you guys talk to me about your lives, where you're from. So if you're here in this video, comment down below. Tell me, where are you from? Tell me something about you, maybe your skin type or a product you like or a hobby or a fun fact, or I don't know, tell me something cool about you guys down below. I would love to get to know you guys and I would love it if you joined the Bondbeautyful family. Anyways, I love you guys. I guess I'll just see you guys on Friday again. And yeah. I'll just see you guys later. Bye.